we're going to talk about Ranveer Singh. I think all the girls in Delhi, our viewers, are probably going to jump off their seats. They absolutely love him. I mean, he came from nowhere, you know. He's not like a star son or anything. He may be from a rich family, but kahin se bhi nahi aaye. He doesn't have the conventional good looks. Kuch bhi nahi hai. Aur unhe Yash Raj jaisa banner mila. Where? What did he do so right? And what kind of stars is he born with?
Ranveer Singh seems to be just a one-film wonder.
रणवीर सिंह ने अनुष्का का तो दिल जीता ही, लेकिन all the young girls are going equally crazy about the एवई guy. लेकिन क्या रणवीर the new hero on the block बनाएंगे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में अपने लिए कोई खास जगह, या फिर वो बनकर रह जाएंगे एवई जो उनके और अनुष्का के बीच में चल रहा है? क्या वो करेगा लास्ट? Will it just fizzle out, या फिर एक दिन उनका सच में हो जाएगा बैंड बाजा बारात?
अगर अनुष्का नहीं होती इस मूवी में, quite possible Ranveer would not have been as successful. He actually owes his success not only to Yash Raj banners but to Anushka being a part of his life.
Wow, I don't know if he's going to feel good about this or bad. बेचारे already काफी sensitive हैं. मैंने उनकी पहले भी interviews में देखा है जहां उन्होंने deny किए हैं ऐसे rumors that his dad offered to pay to launch him in a movie and give him that dream debut. And वो of course इस बात को vehemently deny करते हैं. तो आगे जाके अगर वो दूसरी heroines के साथ काम करेंगे तो उनका future कैसे होगा?
Though the first movie was a super hit, again his career थोड़ा slow जा सकता है, but of course he can work with other heroines. Amongst the others जिनको उनके साथ काम करना चाहिए, a very good combination would be Sonakshi.
Okay.
Because Sonakshi has a mass appeal, and somewhere his mass appeal has also worked for him. You know, that earthy Punjabi kind of a thing. So that will work very well for him as Sonakshi. Sonam will be a kind of a mismatch.
She's too classy for him.
Absolutely. I hate to say that, but yes, she is. Then Anushka again, in spite of them being together. But one warning, 2011, 2012 is not very good for Ranveer.
Is Anushka going to leave him? Is she going to hurt him? Or will his movies not do well?
He'll just be stuck. And I think it's his movies. Because from here, he won't know where to go.
Well, यहाँ पे हमने काफी सारे वन फिल्म वंडर्स देखे हैं जो एकदम ऊपर उड़ते हैं and then they are nowhere after some time. Hopefully, you know, we are wrong and he can make up with the time and he can survive. Things are different in Bollywood.